Bet you didn't know this. A pencil has enough lead to possibly draw a line up to 38 miles long. Wow. Someone took a long time to figure that out. Loser.
Psst, Khufu, sorry to interrupt, but you have a phone call about renewing your Mayonnaise of the Month Club subscription.
Tell them to put me down for another year.
Okay.
This was Khufu with Bet You Didn't Know This. You think it should be Bet You Didn't Know That instead of this?
Know what?
This.
What?
Bet you didn't know this.
Know what?
That.
Is it what you just said?
Yes.
No, I knew about your mayonnaise obsession.
He knows too much.